Hello guys, welcome back with the third regular puzzle. The third regular puzzle in today's newspaper of Wednesday. Yes, it's still Wednesday, September the 14th. Yes, September the 14th, 2022. We have here three regular puzzles. The binary just solved, medium Sudoku just solved, and now it's time for the Killer Sudoku, aka Sudoku Mix. By the way, in this newspaper we have also 7 extra puzzles in additional. Half of them I will solve. I won't do them all, otherwise too much for me, time consuming, and I need the same time for uploading it. Otherwise it will be a day job for me. Yes. And the news of today, yes, war day number 203. 203 days ago the war started in Ukraine, and everything is changed here in the world. All right. The Sudoku mix, yes. Number 5172. 5172. We have here 4 given numbers. Yeah. By the way, for Sudoku mix, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and 4 stars Sudokus, this will be a 3 stars then. Alright. So let's get started. We have a 6 in this triple box of 18. That means that those two boxes together should be 12. 12 plus 6 is equal to 18. Here, we have a given number 8 in this triple box of 20. That means that those two boxes together should be 12. Here, in this triple box of 6, given number 2, that means that those two boxes should be together a 3. And I know there's only one combination for the triple box of 6. 1 plus 2 plus 3 is equal to 6. So those two boxes should be 1 and the 3. 1 and the 3. Okay. Here we have a triple box of 17 with a given number 2. That means that those two boxes together should be 15. 15 plus 2 is equal to 17. Okay. First strategy is to look for big squares with only one sharing box. This one has 1, 2. This one has 1, 2, 3. This one has 1, 2, 3. This one has 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. 4, 5. This one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, 6. This one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A lot of sharing boxes. This one has 1, 2, 3. This one has 1, 2, 3. This one has 2. Well, that's not the strategy, the first strategy. What you also need to know is the total sum of a big square is always 45. The total sum of a column is always 45. The total sum of a row is always 45. Well, the columns, I see here, this column has a 1 sharing box. If I count all these numbers, I will know what number this will be. So these two boxes should be 4. Plus 11 is 15. 15 plus 9 is 24. 24 plus 13 is 37. 37. That means that this box, 45 minus 37 is an 8. 2 plus 8 is 10. 10 plus 7 is equal to 17. Okay. Column. How about this column? I can do this the same. We have here 12 plus 7 is 19. 19 plus 10 is 29. 29 plus 7 is 36. So 45 minus 36 is 9. This box should be a 9. 9 plus 8 is 17. 17 plus 3 is equal to 20. All right. Do we have more columns? Well, this column with one sharing box. So I know what number this will be. How about this one? Yeah, this one. Okay, if I count all these numbers, I will know what number this will be. 9 plus 3 is 9 plus 3 is 12. 12 plus 5 is 17. 17 plus 14 is 31. 31 plus 6 is 37. 37, that means it's 45 minus 37. 45 minus 37 is an 8. This box should be an 8. 37, yeah. That means in this triple box of 13, those two boxes together should be a 5. 5 plus 8 is equal to 13. Yes. Okay, can I do this here? Okay, 9 plus 7 is 16. 16 plus 9. Oh, here, triple 9 is 27. 27 plus 7 is 34. 34 plus 2 is 36. So 45 minus 36 is a 9 again. And those two boxes together in this triple box of 29 should be 12. 12 plus 9 is equal to 21. Okay. So we have a 9 in this third row, 9 in the second row. So the first row, the only 3 places left for the 9 should be here, here, or there. I cannot place the 9, of course, in the box of 8, so the 9 should be here in the box of 13. The combination here in the box of 13 will be 9 plus 4. Okay. Then my next strategy. Oh, wait, here. 8 in this row. 8 in the row below. So last row, the only 3 places left for the 8 should be here, here, or there. Well, I cannot place the 8 in the box of 5, of course. So the box left for the 8 should be here. In the box of 13, the combination will be 8 plus 5. Now we have one box left in this big square. Let me count the boxes, the numbers. 17 plus 13 is 30. 30 plus 9 is 39. 39 plus 5 is 44. That means 45 minus 44 is a 1. In the box of 3, the combination will be 1 plus 2. Now we have this box, this big square with one sharing box. If I count all these numbers, I will know what number this will be. 16 plus 5 is 21. 21 plus 11 is 32. 32 plus 2, 32 plus here 10 is 42. So 45 minus 32 is a 3. In the box of 5, the combination will be 3 plus 2. Alright. So we have a 2 in this column, 2 in that column. So the column between the middle column, only 3 places left for the 2 should be here, here, or there. Here can be a 2. We have a 2 in the first row, so no 2 there. I cannot place the 2 in the box of 15, otherwise the combination will be 2 plus 13. And the highest number I can use is the number 9. So can I place it there? The only place left for the 2 should be here. In the box of 6, the combination will be 2 plus 4. Alright. Okay, then next strategy is to look for boxes with only one combination. Box of 7, 9, 8, 11, 15, 12. Here. No. 10, 5, 14, 12. No. 11, 15, 10. No. 9, 13, 11, 16. The only combination for the box of 16 is 9 plus 7. 9 plus 7. We have a 9 in this column. No 9 there. 9 should be here. And the 7 goes there. And those are the boxes here. How about these two boxes? Box of 11 and the box of 5. There are two combinations for the box of 5. 4 plus 1 and 3 plus 2. The 2 and the 3 is already used in this big square. So 4 and a 1. We have a 4 in this column. No 4 there. 4 should be here. The 1 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4. The 5 is missing. 5 and a 6. Let me mark those. 5 and a 6. Alright. 9, 9, 9 and 1, 9 and 5. Okay. Then, need a 1 here. 1 and a 6, 1 and the 9. Okay. Let me see. 2, 2. Well, we have a 2 in this row, 2 in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. I cannot place the 2 there because those 2 boxes together should be 12. So the other numbers should be 2 and a 10. 10 is not allowed. Lowest number I can use is the number 9. So the 2 should be definitely here. And these 2 boxes together should be a 5. So 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. 5 plus 8 is equal to 13. Alright. 3 in this row, 3 in a row below. So last row, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in one of those 2 boxes in the last column. So no 3 there, so the 3 should be there. In the box of 9, the combination will be 3 plus 6. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers the 1, the 2, 3, the 4 is missing 4 and the 9. 4 plus 9 is equal to 13. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there, 9 should be here and the 4 goes there. 1 box left in the last row for the number, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. Here the combination will be 12, so 7 plus 5 should be 12. Plus 6 is equal to 18. Yes. Now we have 3 in this column, 3 in the second column. So the third column, the only 3 places left for the 3 should be here or there. If I place the 3 in the box of 10, then the combination will be 3 plus 7. The 7 is already used in the first column. So I cannot place the 3 in the box of 10. The only place left for the 3 should be here. In the box of 7, the combination will be 3 plus 4. 4 in this column, 4 in the third column. So the column between, the only 3 places left for the 4 should be here or there. I cannot place the 4 in the box of 14. Otherwise, the combination will be 4 plus 10. 10 is not allowed. The lowest number, the highest number I can use is the number 9. So the 4 should be in the box of 5. 4 plus 1. 4 plus 1. Yes, let me mark those. Then 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 1 and a 9, 1 and a 9. Well, we have a 1 in one of those 2 boxes in the second column, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 9 goes there. In the box of 10, the combination will be here, 1 plus 9. In the box of 14 here, the combination will be 9 plus 5. 2 numbers left in the second column for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. Yeah, 2 and the 7 are missing in the box of 9. 2 and a 7, we have a 2 in the first row. No 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 7 goes there. 2, no. Let me see which number I'm missing. 8 in this column, 8 in the second column. So the first column, the only 2 places left for the 8. In the box of 10, 2 and 8. Yeah, let me mark those. 2 missing numbers in the first column for numbers. 1 is missing, yeah, 1 and the 6. 1 plus 6 is equal to 7. 1 and the 6, let me mark those. So 1 box left in this big square for number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. In the box of 11, the combination will be 5 plus 6 is equal to 11. We have a 6 now. So this box can be 6 anymore. That box should be 6. And this box should be a 1. Now we have a 1 here. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 1 and 3. We have a 1 here. So this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1. And this box should be a 3. 3 in this row. 3 in the second row. So the first row, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be in the box of 8. The combination here will be 3 plus 5. 3 plus 5. Let me mark those. 3 and the 5. So 1 box left in the first row for the number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. And these 2 boxes together should be a 12. So 8 plus 4 is equal to 12 plus 9 is equal to 21. 2 numbers left in this second row. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6, 7, and 8 are missing. We have an 8 in this column. No 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 1. In the box of 10, the combination will be here. 1 plus 9. 9 in this row, 9 in that row. So the row between, the only 3 places left for the 9 should be here, here, or there. I cannot place the 9 there because we already have a 9 in this column. I cannot place the 9 there because we have a 9 already in this column. So no 9 there, so the only place left for the 9 should be here. In the box of 15, the combination will be 9 plus 6 is equal to 15. Now we have a 6 there, so this box can be 6 and more. That box should be 6 and this box should be a 5. Now we have a 5 there, so this box can be 5 and more. That box should be a 5. And this box should be a 3. One box left in this column for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. In the box of 10, the combination will be 4 plus 6. 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row, so the row above, the only place left for the 6 should be there. In the box of 14, the combination will be 6 plus 8. One box left. Oh, now we have 8 there, so this box can be 8 and more. That box should be an 8, and this box should be a 2. One box left in this big square for the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. In the box of 12, the combination will be 7 plus 5 is equal to 12. Then 2 numbers left in this column, 4 numbers. The 1, 2, the 3 is missing. And the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 3 and the 7, 3 and the 7. We have a 3 in this row. No 3 there. 3 should be here. The 7 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 5 and the 6, 5 and the 6. We have a 6 in this column. No 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 5 goes there. In the box of 11, the combination will be 6 plus 5 is equal to 11. In the box of 9, the combination here will be 5 plus 4 is equal to 9. 2 numbers left in the last column. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. 2 and the 7 is equal to 7. So wait, 2 and the 7 is equal to 9. 2 plus 7. We have a 2 in this row. No 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 7 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers. The 1 is missing. 1 and 8. 1 plus 8. We have an 8 in the middle row. So no 8 there. 8 should be here. And the 1 goes there. Now we have a 1 here. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 1 and 4. We have a 1 in the middle row, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 4 goes and there. The 1 in this row, the 1 in the middle row, so the row below. The only place left for the 1 should be there. Final 2 numbers in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 3 and a 7, 3 and a 7. We have a 3 in this row. No 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 7 goes there. Finished in 17 minutes. Well, not the 3 stars. Let me give this a 2 stars. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later with the additional. Yes, maybe in the evening I will solve those puzzles. So have a great and fantastic Wednesday, and until then, bye bye for now.